Which sheep shears are actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious, especially when half these tools look identical online. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that farmers and homesteaders actually use.
Product number 1, Oneisol Pet Clippers. Let's start with something different, the Oneisol Dog Clippers. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is for pets, not sheep. But hear me out. At $39.99, it's the cheapest here. And while it's marketed for thick-coated dogs, some small-scale homesteaders actually use it on calm, short-wooled sheep or lambs. The stainless steel blades spin at 6,800 RPM, which sounds fast, and it's cordless with a 2,000 mAh battery that runs for 240 minutes. That's impressive for the price. It's also super quiet, under 55 decibels, so if you've got skittish animals, this might help keep them calm. Plus, it comes with 10 comb attachments, from 3mm to 25mm, giving you serious flexibility. It's even IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse it clean after a messy job. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're only shearing 1 or 2 sheep a year, or working with smaller livestock like Angora goats, this could save you hundreds over professional gear. It's not built for 20 sheep in a day, but for light use, it's shockingly capable. Over 5,000 sold last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs suggest solid engineering. Now, the big flaw. This is not a true sheep shear. The motor isn't designed for continuous heavy-duty use, and the blades can't be disassembled for deep cleaning or sharpening. Some users report it's struggling with dense, matted wool. Here's the thing though, if you're not running a full flock and you're careful with maintenance, it can still get the job done. Just don't expect it to last decades like industrial models. This is perfect for you if you're a backyard farmer with just a few animals and want an affordable, low-noise option. Skip this one if you're shearing more than 3 to 5 sheep regularly or dealing with thick, dirty wool. For the price, it's a solid backup or entry-level tool.
Product number 2, Dragro 500-watt sheep shears. If the Oneisol felt too light-duty, meet the Dragro 500-watt, a proper farm-grade tool. At $74.99, it's still budget-friendly for what it delivers. This is a dedicated livestock shear with a full copper motor pushing 2,400 RPM and 6 adjustable speeds. That means you can go slow around the face and legs, then crank it up for the body. It weighs 2.82 kilograms, so it's not light, but the grip is designed to reduce fatigue during long sessions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're shearing 5 to 10 sheep a season, this gives you real power without breaking the bank. It's built for sheep, goats, alpacas, anything with a thick coat. The 500-watt motor won't match industrial 800-watt plus models, but it's more than enough for family farms. Dragro also includes a 12-month warranty and 30-day return policy, which shows they stand behind it. Now, the honest flaw, it can overheat if you run it nonstop. The manual warrants against idle operation and long sessions without breaks. Some users forget to lubricate the blades or use cooling spray, and that's when problems start. Here's the thing though, this isn't a design flaw, but it's a usage one. If you follow the instructions, lube the blades, take breaks, keep it cool, it performs reliably. Over 300 sold last month, and while reviews are sparse, the pattern is clear. It works when treated right. This is perfect for you if you need a capable mid-range shearer for small to medium flocks. Skip this one if you're shearing dozens of animals daily or need cordless freedom. For under $80, it's a serious step up from pet clippers.
Product number 3, Dragro's 600-watt heavy duty. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for bigger jobs, the Dragro 600-watt. At $79.99, it's only $5 more than the 500-watt model, but you get a noticeable boost in power. Same brand, same design language, but this one delivers 600 watts and still hits 2,400 strokes per minute. It's heavier at 3.57 kilograms, but that extra weight comes from a more robust motor and build. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're shearing 6 to 10 sheep in a day, this model can handle the workload without overheating as quickly. The 6-speed control lets you fine-tune for precision or speed, and the high-carbon steel blades are built to stay sharp longer. It's also designed to cut through dense wool fast. Dragro claims 6 to 10 sheep per hour, which matches what experienced users report. Now, the flaw, the weight. At over 3.5 kilograms, your arm will feel it after an hour. Some users with smaller hands or less strength find it tiring. Here's the thing though, if you're doing serious shearing, you probably already have the stamina, or you're working in teams, and the trade-off is worth it. More power, better durability, and less downtime.
This is perfect for you if you run a small farm or co-op and need reliable daily use shears. Skip this one if you're older, have wrist issues, or only shear occasionally. For under $80, it's one of the best values in real sheep shearing power.
Product number 4, Soarfly 600W Shears. If Dragro's design feels too bulky, check out the Soarfly 600W. At $59.99, it's the cheapest true 600-watt model here, $20 less than Dragro's version. It's got the same pure copper motor, 6-speed control, and high carbon steel blades, but it's lighter at 3.26 kilograms and comes in a bright yellow shell that's easy to spot in the barn. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want 600-watt power but don't want to spend $80, this is a smart pick. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, and the blade tension is adjustable with a simple rotary button, no tools needed. It's built for sheep, goats, alpacas, and even horses, so it's versatile if you have mixed livestock. Now, the flaw. The brand isn't as established. Soarfly doesn't have Dragro's track record, and there's no warranty info clearly listed. Some users worry about long-term support. Here's the thing though, at this price, even if it lasts 2 seasons, it's still a bargain. And with 200 plus sold last month, it's clearly working for people. This is perfect for you if you want maximum power on a tight budget and don't mind taking a slight brand risk. Skip this one if you need strong customer service or plan to use it commercially. For under $60, it's a steal.
Product number 5, Veekdeemer 600 watt with 13 tooth blade. The Veekdeemer 600 watt, $69.99, and it stands out with a 13 tooth blade design. Most shears use 9 or 11 teeth, but the extra teeth means smoother cuts and less tugging on the wool. It's got the same 600 watt copper motor, 6-speed control, and weighs 3.26 kilograms, but it adds smart features like dust-proof fence and overheating protection, aluminum head with cooling vents, and a built-in filter to keep hair out of the motor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever had a shear clog or overheat mid-job, this design helps prevent that. The 13-tooth carbon steel blade is forged for sharpness and durability, and the tension adjustment is tool-free. It also comes with a full kit: lubricant, brush, screwdriver, even a carrying case. The 6-month warranty and 24/7 support are a nice touch. Now, the flaw, it's not for weak hands. The manual explicitly says it's not recommended for those with less strength, probably due to the blade tension and weight. Here's the thing though, if you're shearing regularly, you'll build the strength, and the precision is worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want advanced features and smoother cuts without paying premium prices. Skip this one if you have limited hand strength or arthritis. For under $70, it's one of the most refined options here.
So, which one should you buy? The One-Isol is great for tiny flocks or backup use. The Dragro 500W is a solid starter for small farms. The Dragro 600W offers the best balance of power and reliability. The Soarfly wins on price, and the Veekdeemer brings the most thoughtful design. Pick based on your flock size, budget, and how much you value durability versus cost.